Chaga chaga choo choo. What's up, guys? AK here with DCCTRAIN LLC multi store in Cincinnati, Ohio. Second stream today. The reason, just too busy at the store all week, and yesterday I was by myself. Rob took rail fanning day off, so so far so good today with the sound. Yes, so today I want to show you guys very cool addition, kind of huge because we're waiting for it for a long time. Roco wireless mouse. It's actually using Wi-Fi 802.11. That's what I think. That's what they're using. But the speed of communication, I'm not worried at all, and that's what I'm going to review. Again, it will be a little maybe complicated from my test layout, but you know me. I like crazy stuff. So I have chat open. Looks good. If you please wait till the end of the show, I will answer every single questions, guys. All right. So I'll try to explain everything clearly about it. So we wait a little bit extra, probably a couple of 3 months maybe, because Roco likes to announce everything, and it didn't show up. Supposed to be for New Year, but they try their best. It has a manual. I strongly recommend to look at the manual. If you first time, you definitely need the manual first time with that controller, because this is the same functions. This guy actually more advanced, has 28 functions control, 29 total with lights, controlling switches. I think it may be mistake in the manual. It's supposed to be 2048, 2000. 1024, yeah, 48, definitely 1024 addresses. Okay, but I'll figure out it later. Now I want to show you first. I want to start with all parameters. You can look at the website. So it's just a very nice unit. Inside of it, if you remember, it was blue, just radio control unit. Same thing, same I should say operating procedure. This is actually more advanced, more functions. So 3 AAA batteries to power it. Okay, and with the blue unit, I don't know, I sold it, I think, with the batteries. I took them out, but they were working for a long time. Okay, I think I still have one set. All right, so let's keep rock and roll with this. I want to start with actually iPad mini. This is Roco application for Z21. So we connect here to Z21. This is wired connection right there. I have a wire, okay, to the front panel for Xbox, and Z21 connects to the router, wireless router. So my nodes here, that iPad mini connects wirelessly to the router, and that guy, when I turn it on, it will be on the same network. Okay, so but I want to start with this. Sorry, people messing around upstairs. I'll start with a play mode right there. So if you can see, that is my crossing gates right there, okay, and I can operate. So same thing I will do using this throttle. So I'm switching to address 6, and with those 2 buttons easily can operate. And you can see this, it's not really feedback, it's just like getting signal from another controller and executing the decoder. Okay, that's just indicator. Okay, let's do the same with our Wi-Fi throttle. So okay, this button turns it on, and it's immediately looking for the network. Takes about what, like 3 to 3 seconds. Done. The Roco, actually, our locomotive is flashing right now because I'm taking control with this. So when I'm going to take control with this guy, that thing starts flashing. Okay, so now we're going to the same mode here, to the switching mode. It's very easy. I'm pressing 6 and executing it. There we go. Okay. Now, if we're going to that switch right there, so I'm scrolling down to my different print screen. So I took a picture and add the element. So I can controlling it here. It's a servo. I'm using ESU servo decoders to control servos. Same thing here. So I'm going to switch number 5 and not pressing enter or anything. I'm just executing it right here. That the most ergonomic design after lens, my personal opinion. Zimo and probably Zimo. DDTRAIN has, you just need to use to it, okay? But that's very easy to use. So let's get started with the engine sequence, and we're going back to the engine mode, and you can it's still flashing, right? But I'm doing it from here. I'm going to unmute F8 because it shows me function 8 is on. Engine starts. In this diagram here on iPad mini, I just put two buttons. It's a light and a horn, okay? I don't want to put a lot of stuff, so here we go. Longer I'm holding, it's playing. Same thing here. It's set to not momentary, so I need to unpress it every time, but here it's set up to momentary. Here I go. So now let's run it. It clearly indicates the direction of the traveling. So if I press the menu button, it brings the screen back, the light, LED light. I really didn't design that small test layout to run that engine, but just for testing purposes, I think it works very well. So let's see if we have any questions, because that will be just quick introduction for today presentation, and I think we're going to wrap it up. I don't think so. I want to do any like additional confusion information at this point. So, but it's very cool. It's very cool unit. All right, let's see. I think we just wrapping up. Yes. So, guys, thanks for coming. Have a great evening for somebody who's just started. We'll come back with more reviews soon. Thanks again. Bye. Chaga chaga choo choo.